Hello, Astros. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Incar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 18th March current affairs, the topic taken from the daily edition. The topic is the participation of the elephants in the festival as part of our. This topic comes under our GST conservation and also as well as comes under our GS1 art and culture. In this topic, we are going to discuss about what is elephant sacred symbol, trade that is ambiguous rules, what are the microchip misuse and what are the lack of accountability, what are the breeding in the captivity and inadequate conservation efforts, what are the role of captive elephant that is regulation on ownership transfer, facilitating monitoring through microchips and what are interim transportation guidelines and addressing the commercial exploitation and what are the recommendation that given to effective implementation that ban on commercial transfer, destruction of microchip, human population, strict transport guidelines, and stronger penalties. And what is the captive elephant transfer of transport rule 2024? These are the topic we are going to discuss under this current issue. First of all, why it is in the news. The Supreme Court that remarked on Monday use of elephant festivals was a part of our country's culture. That bench Justice B.V. Nagar Ratna that and Satish Chandra Sharma was hearing that petition filed by the Vishwa Gaja Seva Simiti that which challenged a judgment of the Kerala High Court on January 13th. So that is a main concern today. First of all, elephant as a sacred symbol that is of wisdom and strength in India. There is a many cultural significance. That is a elephant or integral of Indian festivals, the religious rituals, and also the tradition symbolizing the wisdom and also the property and prosperity and also strength. There is a elephant headed that deity Ganesha is worshipped across the India, so representing the wisdom, success, and also the removal of the obstacles. The mythological importance that is also elephants features prominently the Indian mythology that epics often that depicted as a divine blessings of celestial creature. For example, that is a Airavada is a white elephant that is a of Indra that described a protector of the rain and fertility of the Indian text. The temple usage. The elephants are often kept in the temple that is used as a ceremony participation, reinforcing the sacred statues, and also the Thrissur Puram festival that is in Kerala that showcases the decorated elephants as a central attraction during the temple rituals. Also for the tourism and heritage, that is also a concern. Elephants symbolize that India's rich biodiversity and heritage, often showcased in cultural events, that is through the tourism campaigns. For example, the Jaipur Elephant Festival that highlights the role of the elephants in India and also the cultural identity, that is the art and culture in elephants that inspires India's art and culture and literature that reflecting the that revered statue of the society and also it the ancient carvings in the Ajanta and Ellora caves that depicts the elephant as a symbol of the strength and wisdoms. Or also there is a contradiction in the condition that privately held captive elephants, that is a cruel training method that captive elephants undergoes isolation and also abusive training method that perform the unnatural that behavior. For example, elephant used in the tourism in Rajasthan are often beaten into a submission for the rise and also the performance. And also there is a deprivation of the social needs. The social animals are kept in the isolation, denying them the company of other elephants. For example, elephants as a temple in Tamil Nadu are confined to a small spaces without across the open environment and are also forced commercial activity. That is also one of the problem that captive elephants are that is rented for the religious ceremonies, that weddings or entertainments, that reducing them for the commodity. So the example, the elephants rented for the Kerala festival that endure long hours of the parades and also under the harsh conditions of the climates. So that's a very health issues, that is a force poor living condition lead to injuries, malnutrition, and psychological stress among the captive elephants. The elephants are a Delhi temple that reportedly suffered from the chronic foot injuries due to the hard concrete flooring, and also there is a exploitation under the loopholes. The many legal ambiguities in rules allow the owners the use of the elephants for the profit without addressing the welfare of the concern. So, elephants are transported under the guise of religious purposes, as seen in the cross state that gifting the incidents. So, these are the main conditions, that is privately held captive elephants. So, what are the challenges of the illegal trade of the welfare of the captive elephants? There's ambiguity rules. First of all, the rules of allow the commercial transfer of the elephants, that leading to the potential exploitation under the legal cover. That is, private owners in the Assam transported elephants to the Delhi temples that are bypassing the strict conservation measures. And also, microchip misuse is one of the problems. The reused microchip that legitimize illicit wild capture, that perpetuating the illegal trade networks. So that is a report of wild elephants being implanted with recycled. The microchip that is surfaced 2019 investigation that showcased the recycled one, and also the lack of accountability. The absence of the mandatory post-mortem reports prevents monitoring the death during the transport. The elephant death during transportation in the Kerala raised concern because of the inadequate oversight in the process. There is a breeding, the captivity breeding, that is a captive birth legitimize the cycle of the captivity further, that exacerbating the exploitation. So, as in the rising captive birth in temples at Karnataka has been linked to the increased commercial use, and finally the inadequate conservation efforts in the loopholes. That is a main loophole that undermine effort to curb the wild captures and also promote welfare. So these are the main challenges in the illegal trade and the welfare of the captive elephants. So many roles of the captive elephant. First of all, there is a regulation of the ownership transfers. The rules mandate the procedure for transferring the elephant ownership to aim reduce the arbitrary and also undocumented transfers, and facilitating the monitor. So they can give the rule required to elephant or microchipped, and also enable tracking and potentially identifying the cases of the illegal trade, and also interim transportation guidelines also given. So the it provides the protocols to ensure the legal compliance during the cross-state elephant movements, and addressing the commercial exploitation. That is also one of the concerns. That is a rules on strict commercial activities like leasing elephants for events that lack explicit prohibition on monetization. So some states have started imposing the restriction for using the elephants in the public ceremonies, and also under rules provisions, and also there is a digitalization of the oversight improvements. That is a mandate of the genetic profiling and digitalization of the enhances the monitoring, and also they minimize the undocumented elephant transfers. So these are the main challenge role of the captive elephant, that we need to address these challenges. Is important to safeguard the elephants. And also there is a recommendations of the effective implementation. There is a many recommendation given, that first of all there is a ban on commercial transfer, that explicit prohibition of the trade and leasing of the elephant for commercial purpose. First of all, it's necessary. So the destruction of the microchips is also important. That is a more mandatory removal of the destruction of microchips, that posthumously, that is a, should be enforced under the supervision. And human population control, that is a non-invasive method, that is control the captive elephants. Birth must be implemented. That, for example, birth control initiate the private elephant shelters in the Karnataka show the potential for humane management. There is a strict transport guidelines. That is a clear criteria for the temporary transfer or transport and transfer should prevent the misuse. That is the elephant movements for the entertainment events in the Rajasthan, which highlight the need of the stringent transport protocols. So there is a strongest penalties also introduced. So that is a punitive measure for the violation of the clear illegal activities for ensure the compliance. So these are the main recommendation for the effective implementation. There is a captive elephant transfer of the transports rule, that is 2024 marks a progressive step towards addressing the legal trade, that are also monitoring the improvement of the elephant. So by ensuring the stringent monitoring, transparent and also documentation, ethical treatment, they uphold the conservation goals while aligning with the cultural reverence, that future efforts should focus on the community participation, habitat restoration, and also the robust enforcement to harmonize the wildlife protection and also the sustainable coexistence. Thank you.